Stop! If you're watching this in a noisy room, take out those crusty old earbuds, because what I'm about to show you will literally silence your ex, or at least your noisy neighbors. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm diving into the noise wars of 2025's best earbuds. But wait, before you scroll, answer this. Which is worse, loud chewing or your boss's motivational speech on Monday morning? Drop it in the comments. So, you want peace and quiet, but also to flex on the subway? First up, the Sony WF-1000XM5S. These are like the Thanos of earbuds. Snap your fingers and boom, noise is gone. Dual processor chip, 360 reality audio, LDAC. You could meditate in Times Square and still hear nothing but pure, crispy tunes. Battery? 10 hours. Enough to ignore your ex's texts for a week. Next, Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds 2025. Bose isn't here to play. These block out more noise than your grandma blocks people on Facebook. Custom tune tech, spatial audio, and IPX4. So you can cry in the rain and still hear nothing but Adele. Apple fans, don't at me. AirPods Pro 3rd General Seamless with your iPhone. Next Gen H2 chip, lossless audio. Transparency mode so good, you'll hear your fridge judging your midnight snacks. Battery, 7 hours. Enough for one Taylor Swift album, on repeat. Audio files assemble. Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4. These are for music snobs. 7mm drivers adaptive ANC fights wind noise harder than your hair gel on a windy day. Multi-point Bluetooth. Gym rats and workaholics, this one's for you. Jabra Elite 10. Dolby Atmos IP57 ANC. You could run a marathon in the rain and take a call from your boss at the same time. Or ignore them, your choice. Budget ballers, don't worry, I got you. Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, LDAC spatial audio, 10 hours playback. More features than a Swiss Army knife, less money than your coffee addiction. So what's my verdict? Sony WF-1000XM5, best overall. AirPods Pro 3, best for iPhone. Sennheiser, best for audio files. Jabra, best for calls and fitness. Which would you pick? Or did I miss your favorite? Comment it, smash like if you want me to noise cancel my next embarrassing story. Subscribe for more tech reviews with memes, madness, and maybe a little peace and quiet. Wait, did you catch the hidden meme in this video? Rewind and comment if you found it.